kidding me, man. Ah, shit.
Let's find you a kickstand, boss.
Yeah.
Just so you don't have to stand here and hold your bike.
What size do you need?
Yes, it got caught underneath the wheel thing here. It's making it hard to get out. Got wedged in there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, wedged right in there. There we go. Ah, there. All right.
You just use a kickstand.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Now you're just gonna roll it. You want me to pick up the back of the bike?
Let me put it on the bottom and try to roll it forward.
You got it.
Yeah. All right. Yeah,
Do whatever you want.
Just roll it forward.
I'm gonna pull in your clutch. Is it in neutral, boss?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna make that so.
Okay. It's on. All right.
We
Thanks.
tighten it up a little bit, or
Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure.
I got a 10 and a 13.
I have.
All right.
And an adjustable.
Let me see if I can just.
You're recording, Toby. Maybe you want to. This is the fun part.
Yeah.
I usually say if there's more than three fingers of slack at the tire.
Yeah, 3 fingers is kind of my gauge I use too.
A couple more, is that okay?
Yeah.
That's way better.
Yeah, I see how it tightens up
Tighten
when
up that other jam nut.
What?
I didn't tighten that jam nut there.
I'm gonna.
let me set on it and see how it tightens up.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes this thing gets pretty tight.
When you sit on it.
Yeah. Pretty tight now.
Like too tight?
Probably.
Huh. Give me that 15 then. Let's take. I'm just gonna back off like 2 turns right here.
Okay. Did you machine like some of these little clamps and stuff?
No, that's how it was.
Oh, okay.
This is mostly stock. I got it, I only had 1 hour on it and sat for 20 years.
Oh, okay.
So it's low hour.
Huh.
And most of it's pretty much stock.
You're just breaking her in.
So Paul, how do I pull the axle back forward now?
Probably have to loosen it.
Just a second, Nick. Let's try something.
That did it. One more. Okay. With the bottom of your foot though. Can you kick this way like with
How about I just get the wrench out?
There you go.
I got the right one for once in my life.
That did it. That's tight.
Okay.
Is that good, Toby? That's not crazy tight when you're sitting on it. What do you think?
I mean, it's tightest at about that compression, like halfway through the stroke.
What's that?
It's going to be at about halfway through the stroke. It's probably the tightest it's going to be, so it'll get loose as you load and unload it.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think? Leave it?
Yeah, thanks for fine then. See.
I didn't go crazy tight on it.
Is that my 13? Or?
Yeah, let me make sure everything's tightened down.
Yep, axle's tight.
You got the axle. Here's the 13.
Yep.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
get
just
them.
like.
You guys just keep going. The trail kind of goes through the little bit of the clearing through the power lines, and then it dives off to the right.
Where is my goggles?
Right here.
They're on his handlebars.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Hi.
Seen one before, except in your pictures and videos.
That goes straight. Oh, it's just
It pipes through
it's
the.
kind of like a
air hose.
siphon.
Yep.
Cool.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's just that's all it is. Okay, that's cool. I was thinking about like. Right on. I'm Jack.
Toby. Yeah.
Alan. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what's your last name?
Offerman?
Okay, so thank you, because I use all your maps for like events and whatnot. So that's just an awesome place to get them, you know, like collection. Thank you.
So this thing's tuned like pretty much like not to be peaky at all, right? It's like as much that from that. Just looking at the pipe that's on there and that.
It peaks. It's like. It's,
I mean, it's still a two-stroke 500.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, yeah. It's just stock.
What year is it?
97.
It's a 97. Yeah, that's fucking wild. What's the whole thing weigh?
They usually weigh around 230, 240, you know, around there, or 220, somewhere around there.
That's a cool trail bike.
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah.
That's a cool trail
For what is it? A 500 that weighs 230?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
500.
yeah, that's not bad.
What'd you say your bike was? 208.
Dude, are you serious?
Yeah.